going there sa tubig. Nasa Calagwas ako. So, vamos, welcome to Calagwas. Yan. Wala pa akong budget for good camera. I'm just using my cell phone. Yan. Napakaganda ng tubig. Sobrang pinong buhangin dito sa Calagwas. And then, tingnan natin kung gaano kalinis yung water. At gaano ka-fine ang buhangin. Sobrang white. Yay! Yay! Hi, welcome to Calagwas. Hey. Shots. Ganda, diba? So, ano pang hinahantay mo? Tara na. Next time, sama kayo, ah. Okay? Next time, sama kayo dito sa aming Vamos. Thank you so much for joining our Calagwas tour, guys. So, thank you so much, Miss Leia, and thank you so much also to Christy Alipado and her friends and family. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat-lahat na nagsusubaybay, and of course, sa mga patuloy na nagpapabook sa Vamos PH Travel and Tour. So, again, thank you so much, everyone, and hope to see you soon. Sa mga gusto magpabook, pabook lang po kayo, and definitely make sure that your vacation will be the happiest vacation that you're gonna ever have. Happy and of course, enjoy life. Yun talaga tayo para nabubuhay, and everyone. So, again, thank you so much for joining us here sa aming travel and tours, Vamos PH Travel and Tours. That's it. So, welcome to Calagwas. Bye!